Let's download the app so that we can use the Wi-Fi function. So you just need to scan this QR code inside of the manual, and here is the app TsCam. Now let's just press get and install it. Boom, it has been installed. Now let's open it and go to home page, allow, and then on your dash cam go to the Wi-Fi function found in settings and turn that on. And now let's move our way back to the app, go to your Wi-Fi in your phone setting, and then choose the dashcam's Wi-Fi, which is TS-cam, and then enter the password, which is 1 through 8. And just like this, it will be connected in seconds. Now you just need to go back to the app and it will be automatically paired. You just need to press connect DVR, and boom, you have the live view on your phone. Now you can also, with the press of this button, you can view all 4 camera angles. Then more into the app, you can also start and stop your recording with the press of this button. And then you can also take screenshots as well. Now over here, you can view your SD card footage from the camera. So basically you're just viewing the SD card footage like you plugged the SD card into your computer. So pretty awesome, and it has a nice clear view from your phone. So I give this a 5-star. This dash cam is out of this world, pretty awesome. You can also edit the clips from the app as well, and you can also full screen the live view. So this is pretty awesome. You can also have the functions of start, stop,